Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video on business statistics. In today's competitive market, data plays a pivotal role in helping businesses make informed decisions. By analyzing and interpreting data, businesses can gain valuable insights to improve their operations and outcomes. In this video, we will explore the importance of business statistics, its applications, and some commonly used statistical methods. So, what exactly are business statistics? Business statistics is the application of statistical methods, techniques, and tools to analyze and interpret data in the context of business operations. It involves the collection, organization, summarization, interpretation, and presentation of numerical and non-numerical data, which helps businesses make data-driven decisions. Now, let's talk about the importance of business statistics. Firstly, it helps businesses understand their customers better. By analyzing customer data, such as demographics, preferences, and buying patterns, businesses can tailor their products and services to meet the specific needs and wants of their target market. This leads to improved customer satisfaction and increased sales. Secondly, business statistics enables businesses to identify trends and patterns. By analyzing historical sales data, businesses can identify seasonal trends, peak sales periods, and sales patterns that vary across different demographics or regions. This information allows businesses to optimize their inventory, production, and marketing strategies to meet the demands of their customers better. Moving on to its applications, business statistics is widely used in various areas. One common application is in market research. Companies use statistical techniques to gather and analyze data from surveys, focus groups, and other research methods to understand customer preferences, market trends, and competition. This helps businesses make informed decisions regarding product development, pricing, and promotional strategies. Another application is in financial analysis. By analyzing financial data, such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, businesses can evaluate their financial performance, assess risks, and make strategic investment decisions. Statistical tools like regression analysis and ratio analysis are commonly used for this purpose. Lastly, let's briefly discuss some widely used statistical methods in business statistics. Descriptive statistics, such as measures of central tendency and variability, are used to summarize and describe data. Inferential statistics, on the other hand, are used to make inferences and draw conclusions about a population based on a sample. Hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and ANOVA are examples of inferential statistical methods that help businesses identify relationships, test hypotheses, and make predictions. To conclude, business statistics is an invaluable tool for businesses to make data-driven decisions, understand their customers, identify trends, and optimize their operations. By applying statistical methods and techniques, businesses can gain valuable insights that give them a competitive edge in today's dynamic market. I hope you found this video informative and that it inspires you to explore the world of business statistics further. Thank you for watching.